Okay, ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that one actually that was pretty hard as well. 3 drop test, and look at that, no damage to the screen. Phone's still working good. The cases give very good protection.
We're going to be looking at the case lineup by Ringke for the OnePlus 7 Pro. And then you got a nice cool design around the edges and at the back and even around the sides. It's got a nice hard rugged feel to it, so it really feels like it's going to protect your device. It's got a nice lip on the bottom and at the top. The buttons on the sides, as you can see, they're working good. And then we also got the cutouts on the bottom for the 2 microphones, the charging port USB Type-C, and then the speaker, and then up top the pop-up camera. Let's go ahead and try the pop-up camera. Pops up perfect. And then there's also a nice cutout in the back for the cameras. A nice